Kitchen. Today we are making ravioli in pink sauce. For the dough we need 1 cup flour, 1.5 tablespoon of olive oil, salt to taste. First we'll make this. In this we'll add water, but we need warm water for the dough, and we're taking approximately 1/4 cup of water. So now our dough is ready. You have to make a soft dough like roti, and if you require a little more water than 1/4 cup, you can add more water. Now our dough is ready. We'll cover this with a wet cloth and rest it for 1 hour. So by the time our dough is getting rested, we'll start with the ravioli filling. For that, we need 1 tablespoon of oil. So our oil is heated. We'll add 1 tablespoon of garlic, finely chopped. We'll stir it till it becomes pink. Once the garlic has turned pink, we'll add 100 grams of spinach. It's not boiled, it's chopped spinach. You have to cook it till it shrinks and loses its water. Once the spinach gets dried and loses its water, it will become like this. In case you all don't eat spinach, you can use boiled corn, which is you can half crush the corn and you can replace it with spinach. Now we are adding 1/4 cup of malai paneer. You can add ricotta cheese. If you don't have ricotta cheese, you can add malai paneer. To mash it and mix it well. After that, we are adding 1/4 cup of grated cheese. So now our filling is ready. We'll cool this down completely, and then we'll start making the ravioli. So now our dough is ready and our filling has also cooled down. So we'll start making the ravioli now. Before that, we'll keep the water for boiling to boil the ravioli. We'll take a small portion of the dough, dust some flour, and roll out a very thin roti. So now we've rolled out a thin roti. We'll take a cookie cutter, dip into the flour and cut out shapes. So we've made small circles from the cookie cutter. Now we'll fill the filling and make ravioli. We'll apply water on 4 sides. Take another circle and seal the sides. And mark it, give an impression with the fork. This is how we'll make all the other raviolis. So now our ravioli is ready. We'll put it in the boiling water to boil it. We'll boil till the raviolis float on the water. So now as you can see, our raviolis are floating on the top. We'll remove the water and put it in the ice cold water to cool it down, and so that it doesn't stick to each other, and also the cooking process of the ravioli stops. Now we'll make pink sauce for the ravioli. We'll put 1 tablespoon of butter. Once the butter melts, we'll add some broccoli, some cherry tomato. You can even add bell peppers or zucchini, whatever you like. We'll add half teaspoon of oregano, half teaspoon of chili flakes, salt to taste, and half teaspoon of black pepper powder. We'll mix all this well. Now we'll put some white sauce. Now we'll put some red sauce. We'll mix for 2 minutes. Now our sauce is ready. We'll turn off the gas and we'll put the sauce on our ravioli. So now our ravioli is ready. We'll garnish it with some cheese and some chili flakes. For the recipe of white sauce and red sauce, please click on the link given in the description below. I hope you've enjoyed our recipe. Please like and share our video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.